Alright, what's up? I'm Mayan. So, as soon as you plug in your Ethernet cable or your Wi Fi, you get this pop up asking if you want to download the Armoury kit. Say yes to the prompt right after installing Windows and connecting to the internet. This pop up comes up. Click on yes, and it will start installing ASUS Armoury crate. And we are going to need it because we need to use some ASUS motherboard related stuff, for example driver hub and aura lighting and other features like that. Now it is installing Armoury kit. I also need to install OBS Studio, so that is why I opened up the command prompt and typing it winget installed OBS, and this will search the OBS on the internet. If you are following me, I am trying to install Tiny 11 on my gaming PC. I have created the Tiny 11 ISO image by myself using the Tiny 11 builder. If you don't know about that and want to check it out, the links are always given in the description. You can check them out yourself. That is why I don't have a browser right now, and I will install the browser later. That is why I'm using the command prompt to install the OBS Studio just to record these videos on the screen and not use my phone. If you think this is taking more time, this is because I am downloading two of the things at the same time, the OBS Studio as well as the ASUS Armoury crate. And the OBS Studio has started installing. Wait a minute, I think it is just an agreement. Okay, so this is the MS Store source requires you to follow your agreement. So I'm gonna click on the command prompt, type in Y and hit enter. This will agree to the agreements, and I will be ready to install anything that I want from the command prompt and winget. So we got two of the options for OBS Studio. One is an MS Store ID and one is the winget ID. I am using the winget one, so I'm going to copy the ID of the second OBS Studio right here. This is the OBS project dot OBS Studio. I'm gonna type in winget space install space and right click. This will start downloading OBS Studio for me. This is for those who are following this whole guide. I will make sure to make a compilation of all the videos so you don't have to check those videos one by one. Now we wait for the installation to complete. And I think I am going to cut it to the next part. Okay, so here we are. The downloading has started and it is painfully slow because my internet is slow and I am also downloading two of the files at the same time. Thankfully, I have an Ethernet cable so I don't have to worry about connection going wrong. Okay, so ASUS Armoury Kit is now ready to install. Let's agree. And you get three options feature library. I will install those features later. Right now, I only want it to be up and running. You can get to choose your theme and hit start. Now we need the Windows user control. Simply say yes. And now this is the actual installation. Here the installation begins. This is now installing ASUS Armoury Crate and the installation is complete. Just like that. Actually, it took a lot of time. I just skipped it so you don't guys have to worry about it. Okay, so OBS Studio is installed. Now let's open up Armoury Crate and let me show you how it is work. Once you open up the Armoury Kit, you will be greeted with the intro and this will start installing. Actually not installing, but the opening up animations are slow here. Okay, you get some features. I'm gonna click on next. Not going to install them right now. I will install them later. Those features that I will need, I will install them. This is the dashboard. Everything that you need to know about your motherboard is here. This is your devices. I have my motherboard in the settings and update centers. Make sure you update all of these options. This is how you get the full features of the Armoury Kit. Click on check for updates. This will start getting those updates from the ASUS servers, and all you need to do is wait. So once it checks for updates, you are ready to update. Click on the first part, which is to update the Armoury Crate itself. Now it will start connecting to the internet. This depends totally on your internet speed and ASUS servers. ASUS servers are painfully slow in Armoury Crate. I don't know why. My internet is not that slow, but still, this takes quite a lot of time. This is connecting to the internet, and I think it has just started downloading the Armoury Crate. Now we wait a little bit. Hopefully, this will not take that much long. I think that is going to take that much long. Okay, the installation is complete. Now we can launch Armoury Crate. Thankfully, this was too fast to notice. So now I'm gonna go to Update Center again. You see we got another update. So I'm just gonna click on Update now. This will start preparing for update. Looks like we have to update again and again just to get the most latest version. I don't know why this is. Maybe you have to patch updates or things, something like that. I have no idea, but yep, this day you have to check for updates again and again to get the latest version. And also, you have to keep in mind that it is really slow unless you have a very good and very fast internet connection, which I don't have yet, but soon I am going to update my internet connection to a better one. I hope so. Now just keep waiting, or should I speed it up? I think I'm going to have to speed it up. And I am also having a feeling that I won't be able to show you the ASUS driver hub. Maybe that is another video. Maybe the next video is going to be about how you can install ASUS drivers using the ASUS driver hub. Yeah, now we wait for the installation to complete. Okay, I'm going to speed it up now. Okay, no need. Every time I think about speeding up the video, it just comes up. Okay, so what else we need to update? We got some components. Now we are going to update them one by one because updating all is painfully slow. You have to follow my advice and update only one by one. If you don't follow my advice, you're gonna regret it. Now we okay, the download was fast. Now it is installing, and hopefully that won't be slow because I just got a new PC. This is how I am setting up my PC. I will actually make a whole compilation of all the videos that I made using how I set up my gaming PC. Yeah, that video is gonna be so long and rough on the processing, but what you gotta do, what you gotta do. Now let's update the second component. Okay, the download is fast because those are some tiny files, but those are actually making me wait. Yeah, it may be worth it once I get my PC up and running. Well, that certainly took its time, and now I am going to reboot my system. Click on the reboot now, and once you are back, you can open up your Armoury Crate again. I'm going to pin it to start, so every time I start, I always check for updates there. Okay, I also got another update, so I'm just gonna click on the update button. This will start downloading the update, and surprisingly, it is downloading very fast. Maybe the file is too small. Yeah, I know. The SS servers are very slow, as well as my internet connection. Maybe I'm just blaming the SS servers, and actually my internet connection is very slow. Oh yeah, I remember we need to install drivers as well. Once we get the ASUS Armoury Crate fully installed, I will make a video on how you can install those drivers. Okay, so our download here is complete. This is now just installing the update, and maybe, just maybe, we have to reboot our PC again. Yeah, this process is kind of really slow. Okay, how much time till installation? I have no idea. The installation pop-up will come as a surprise, so get ready to be surprised. And yeah, there we go. The installation is complete. Now we have to reboot the system again. I just rebooted my PC and now I am opening up the ASUS Armoury crate and hopefully everything is up to date. Yep, everything is now up to date. In the next video, I will make sure to tell you about how you can install ASUS drivers using the ASUS driver hub from the Armoury crate. So the setting up Armoury crate took some time. That is why that topic will be another video. This video was too long. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.